This is a trade I took on AMD, and it's one that I ultimately got stopped out on. It's a VWAP bounce play. I just got in long after the bounce off the VWAP. It's important to review your trades when you get stopped out because it lets you go back and look and see what you missed. And I just went here. There was my typical VWAP bounce after a strong opening move, and I saw orders to the upside. But when I look at this now, I see that that second candle that went up really high did not have a ton of volume behind it. And the third candle where I'd entered did have a lot of volume, and it's a real indecision candle, which really means the market hasn't made up its mind about which direction it's going to go. So even though there's some orders to the upside, it doesn't really indicate that it's going to go there. And so I end up getting stopped out here, but upon review, if I'd been paying more attention, I probably wouldn't have taken this trade. In this one, this is an Amazon trade. It is a VWAP bounce. It came down with low volume, rejected the VWAP. I saw orders to the upside, and so I decided to go along. But when I look at this now, I can really see there's actually much more orders close by to the downside that are most likely going to get filled first. So I actually stopped myself out pretty quick here because I probably saw that when I was reviewing this. Here's one on Regevi. This is again opening rejection of the VWAP. And what I noticed here is that my execution was poor on this. I probably could have made some money on this trade, but I got in far too late. I needed to get in right near the VWAP when it initially rejected it. And I'm about 50 cents late on this move, which really cost me. And in the end, this one goes against me. And once again, I'm going to get stopped out. I do see there were orders to the downside that got filled. There are still some down there, but I also have orders to the upside. And really, the problem with this trade was the timing and execution. I needed to be faster on my entry when I saw the setup coming. So I got stopped out there. Now, you're going to get stopped out in trades. You're going to be wrong often when you're trading. But it's important to go back and review these trades, even more so than your winners, to see what it is you missed and what you could have seen when you were trading. Don't dwell on them. Don't let them affect you, but review them. Until next time, happy trading.